Stop paying graphic designers to create your logo for you. Yes, guys, if you're just starting out in business or you are low on budget, then one thing you want to learn how to do is to actually use AI to use or whatever business portfolio you are about to create. On this video, I will be helping you create logos that you can use on your flyer using one of the AI tools that I have talked about before now, right here on this channel. Now, this is something that you want to do as a business owner, because every business is supposed to have a business brand portfolio, right? That tells people who you are about, and your logo is one thing that will tell people exactly what your business is about. If you are in anywhere in Nigeria or Africa, I want to believe that you have seen, brands and big organizations, and one of the things that you get to see is they have a logo that speaks to their business. When you see a GT logo, without even seeing the whole building, you already know it is a GT bank, right? So that is what your logo will do for you. And on this video, I'll be teaching you how to use AI for free to generate a logo that you can actually use or for your business or for anything that relates to the business that you are about to do. So make sure you like this video and watch it to the end. Also implement on everything that I will be teaching you. My name again is Grace, and welcome to my channel. So let's get into it already. So here we are on Meta AI. So I have given it a prompt to create a logo for a YouTube channel called Wisdom House. And this is exactly what it created for us. Now, I do not really like this, so I gave it another prompt that gave me something unique. And you can see what it created for us. Now, this is beautiful, right? And this is something that I would use if, I want to use this. Now, I also told it to give me a prompt, a logo for my Gracie Food, right? Which is a flour and spice business, right? If you don't know, I have a Gracie Food where I produce flours, beans flour, and spices for your food. You can get that. So I told it to give me a logo for it, and it gave me something like this, which is beautiful. But because the name is not exactly what I want, I told it to actually give me another one. Right here, you can see I said use the correct spelling of Gracie Foods, right? And this is what it came up with. This is beautiful, and I'll be using it for Gracie Foods. Even though I have a logo already, I think this actually symbolizes what I'm about. Okay, so look at another one that it gave me, Gracie Foods, and this is beautiful also, right? Though I was trying other ones, give me a unique logo for Gracie Food. It's a variety floor, and it gave me, all of this, which by the way is beautiful, right? So this is another one that it gave me, and they are all beautiful. So here again, I tried giving it another prompt for another business. I said I just launched a laundry business called, Green Clean Hub, where people can bring their clothes for laundry. Create a beautiful and attractive logo for this brand using green as the brand color, right? And this is what it has given me. And this is beautiful because, you can see it symbolizes the clothes. There is water on it, right? And, the clothes is there, the water is there, the name of the laundry business is there. And I told it to give me green as its brand color, which is what it has used. I bet you guys this is just beautiful. Okay, but I went ahead to ask it to give me something better, and it came up with this again. All right, so it came up with this again, which is another beautiful one. except for what it wrote down, right? That, the spellings are not exactly what we would want to use, except you can go to Canva and edit that spelling out, right? If you want to use something like that. That is, if you made an error, you can go to Canva and, just remove the words or replace it with something better. Okay, but I went ahead to ask it to still give me something, right? I said, be mindful of the spelling. Clean Hub is the name of the brand, and it gave me this, okay, with the person on it. Okay, so this is also a beautiful one. I went ahead to ask it to create me a beautiful logo, for a laundry business. Just let me see what it can create, and it gave me laundry. I don't know if that's the name it wants me to, give my brand, but it's still beautiful. So I say create a logo for a laundry business called Clean Hub. This time I'm specific here. So one thing about this is if you're specific with your prompts, you will get better results. You can actually ask it to give you a prompt that you can use to generate image, right? If you want it like that, you can actually ask it to say, give me a prompt I can use to generate a beautiful, logo for a laundry business. Then it will generate that prompt for you. But I just wanted to give me a logo, and it came up with this Clean Hub, which I think is another beautiful one. And here is another that it came up with. So you can see all of these are just beautiful, right? All of these are just beautiful. So this is what it has given me. And the beautiful thing about these logos is that you can use it for your flyers, you can use it for your brand, put it up there on your page, whatever brand portfolio you want to put up for people to see. You can just, upload this logo and you are good to go. So another thing I would want us to do is to actually remove the background, right? So that you can just have a logo to yourself. And this Meta AI thing that is there, we need to remove it so that people don't know that, it is actually Meta that gave us this logo. They will think we went to, one professional graphic designer. Okay, so what do? We'll just head on to remove background right now. So let's go there. Logo I created. Okay, so this is the last logo that we created, right? So it's trying to remove the background already. So once it has removed the background, all you just have to do is, use it for whatever you want to use it for. So you can upload it on your flyers, you can upload it on your page, Instagram page, your, Facebook page, whatever page you want to upload it on, you can upload it there. So you can see that it has actually removed the background, and it has also removed the Meta AI that came with the design. So what you want to do is just to download it and just save it on your phone. So that's how you have a logo that is easily done, right? And the background removed, and you can use it for whatever platform that you want to use it for, right? So if you've gotten value in this video, make sure you subscribe. You guys to try this out. Okay, try this and let me know in the comments that you've tried this, and send me the images that you are able to generate so that people will actually know that this is working the way it has worked for me. So I want you to go right now and try this out. Remember, you will not get results if you don't put to action all the things that you are learning. So go right now and try it out. Send me a message on WhatsApp and let me know how it went. Or you can come right here on the comments of this video and just upload the design you created and let me know that you tried it out and it worked for you. I would really want to see what you're able to generate as your own logo. All right, guys, until I come your way again, I will see you on another video. Continue to practice all that you are learning. Peace out.